So you can see Leah's hair here. Terrible. Flat, dry, coarse, colour treated. No, she's very sweet. Look how happy she was when I asked her to do that.
After it rained.
But you can see she doesn't have a lot of natural, volume in her hair. But you can see everyone looks better with some volume, in their hair. And what was nice, we literally just zoomed this in today. So I got Leah to prepare her hair like I would prepare anybody's hair. And again, if you see me in a class, that's what I do. Always filter. Doesn't matter what your hair type is, the texture, the color, everybody gets filtered. So you can already see, so she's filtered, which is really, really important because you can see she doesn't filter all the time. You can see a slight yellowy tone kind of coming into her hair, and that's just from water. Well water, reservoir water, doesn't matter, city water. There is minerals and metals in all water. It builds up on the hair, it discolors it, it gives it a rough texture. So I made sure she filtered, she cleansed, and then conditioned, obviously with the Wow shampoo. I'll spare you talking about the shampoo. And so all I did was just put the extra large in. She came in with damp hair this morning. I mean, it's insane how much volume your hair has got. And literally just threw in some quick pins. I just blow dried it really quickly. And look, I haven't even brushed it out yet, but I mean, it's like complete...
And you didn't use anything other than...
No, just, look at this. Wow. This is absolute. I'm telling you guys, this product is insanity. I mean, this is like too much volume for Leah, but, but I wanted to show you, so stand up for me, let me just see, so I can dress this out a little easier, face me. Yes, blow drying it in is genius, that's what most people will do, but for the first time ever, you guys have now a volumizer that you can air dry into your hair, which is crazy. The polymers will still work when you air dry, but I think what's important here, do you feel the movement that I can just run my hands through? Her hair is silky, her hair is insanely shiny. It's literally just like twice.
And there's nothing else in her hair?
Absolutely nothing else in her hair. That's it. But you notice I can keep brushing it, I can keep working it. And yes, in an ideal world I'd probably blow it out a little bit, but I want you to see the clarity of the color. So just turn profile and look at that volume, it's crazy. But do you see the difference in the color just from that dream filter?
Yeah.
Everybody should be dream filtering. I almost call it's like an unsung hero. I mean, I don't touch someone's hair without filtering it. You guys know that I've worked with. But look, her color is bright, it's popping. So look, we can just keep flipping it from side to side. Touch your own hair and tell them how it feels. Does it feel like you've got twice as much hair?
I could tell without even touching it, with you putting your hands through it, that it was just thicker.
Yeah, it just feels thicker.
Yeah.
But you've still got complete shine.
Yeah, you can run your hands through it.
Because there's no roughed up cuticle here. It's an artificial roughed up cuticle. That's how flipping cool it is. And this is what happens when you innovate. When you don't copy everybody else, you actually think, well, what can I do? What ingredient can I actually use that's actually really going to make a difference on the head, genuinely? And this is what it's about. Probably put 7, 8 pumps. Okay. And I worked it as well. So I worked it into the root like this. And then I worked it around the hairline as well, which is a good little kind of tip there, just to work it in, and then just worked it through the hair.
I have a lot of hair.
Right.
So
Yeah. You can't use this with Dream Coat on the same day, okay? Because Dream Coat is a polymer technology which is cross-linking over the hair and trapping down that cuticle. That's what gives you that shine, that humidity protection. Extra large is bonding that artificial cuticle, like roughed up cuticle, onto your hair, so they counteract each other. So you can use Dream Coat, and then after your first wash, you can use extra large as much as you want. Just don't use the two together.